clase es en your group. Hoy es jueves 26 de enero 2023, and we are having our first e-learning day. So hopefully you're good and warm and safe yesterday, and the same is for today. So we are going to actually do part of a lesson that we would have done Wednesday in class if we had been there, but we weren't. So we're going to just do what's called a mini lesson today. Before we get started with that, have you completed your attendance check-in for today? If you have not, make sure you look at your Canvas calendar on January 26th. There should be a link that says something like attendance check-in or attendance for Thursday, January 26th. Click on that link. And then there's usually one question that you have to answer that question, and then that counts you as being in presence for e-learning or in attendance for e-learning for the day. So please make sure you take care of that. All right, for our class, after you've watched this video, you are going to watch another video. It's a mini lesson on how to use the possessive terms me, mis, and de. And so we're doing okay with those, but I think it's something that we needed to focus on a little bit. And while we're working on la familia, that just makes it an easy, natural thing to work on. So watch that mini lesson. And then after you've watched the mini lesson, now you're going to answer the questions in the quiz. It's not really a quiz. That's just how I set it up so that you can type answers and it will just count as a homework grade. So to start that, you're going to click on Take the Quiz. And then you will go through, scroll down and get the questions. You're going to be writing these answers in Spanish, so make sure that you put them in the text box. Make sure you're using your notes to help you spell correctly, because I will take points off if you are not spelling correctly. So once you have answered those questions, we're not answering any of them, you would submit the quiz. It's going to tell me, hey, wait a minute, you don't have anything in there, so you might not want to submit right now, but whatever, you just got a 0 out of 12. But that's okay, don't do that. So after getting that submitted, then you want to make sure that you have finished your par and pesar for the week. Go ahead and get that taken care of, submit that so you don't have to worry about it. Remember, it is due by Friday at 11:59, and then work on that La Familia vocabulary. As of right now, we are still having our, it says quiz, but it's really a test next week on February 1st over La Familia vocabulary. If you need any help or just want to say hi, send me a message. Have a great day. Adios.